Hello, good morning everyone. This is John from Money Steps. So it's been 4 months I didn't turn on any market updates on live because the laptop has faulty. So we are now back to the morning markets on 24th January 16. So the title will be stand above 1,500 for KLC at this moment. So first of all, we go for the disclaimers. The video content is served for the learning purposes. It's not a buying selling call for the viewers. So these are the stock will be covered by today, and other than that I'll mention some of the stocks in my Telegram channels. So overnight, currently the Japan market hitting multi-decade highs. So we can see that the Nikkei is scaling for new peaks, and we go for the Telegram channels back in early January. If you follow my channels closely, back in July last year, I believe it was on 13 or 14, I already said the market has been bottom. If you're joining in, you might already making profit since July for the first stage of the momentums. So after that, the market speaks after a few months later, and now we are on the stage 2 for the market momentum. So we can see that the KLCI is now breaking 1,500. If you check back for the July last year's my videos live, I did mention if you didn't join for the July, probably most of the investors will join in 1,005, which is current stage. So we are now in current stage 1,005 above, and we can see that back in the Telegram, you can see on the left side January 3rd. January 3rd, I did mention early of this year. I already mentioned positive sentiment in Malaysia market with encouraging volumes. A lot of stock is now moving higher. Example like property stocks, Ecobo, UEM, KSL. There are a lot of names you can see right over there. Even the Globe series are playing for swing. Top Globe Hata, and then more property stock breaking higher, Masek, MRCBS, PCT, LBS. So you can check back. All the stocks is now moving very strong. Other than that, we can see a lot of the I did mention, I hope if you missed the July 223 market rally, hopefully you are riding on this trend. So now it's stage 2, January 2024. If you miss this one, I don't know where you are going to join in. So, and other than that, construction is moving as well, WCT, MRCT. So you can see MRCB is moving more than 10% yesterday. WCT is more than how many percent? 2-3%. I believe if you're going to move higher, you can see the stock picks later on by the research house. Of course, I do have my own judgment. I will go through some stock picks by the research house for you guys. So let's go back for US market. We can check on the US market Nasdaq. This one is very strong on the uptrend for the Nasdaq. S&P 500, if we check, is very strong as well. It's now double top. We are not judging whether it's topping or not, but it's very strong at this moment. S&P 500, Nasdaq, Dow Jones as well. And we come back to the Malaysia. So we can see that yesterday, not just yesterday, I mean the KLCI is already breaking resistance level. So you can see the breaking resistance for how many months high, and now standing above 1,005. Back in July, where was we? We are right here. In July, I calling for market bottoms, and then it come over here as consolidating for 2 to 3 months, and then it break highest. So you should join this round. If you miss this round, maybe you are going to join far more higher price. So we comes to the some stock picks by the research house. Maybe I can go through some of the stock source before I move on for the stock picks by the research house. UEMS, which are already picking for very long time ago. If you can see that the breaking resistance was below 30 cents. Now it's around 1 ringgit. So it's already how many fold? 3 to 4 fold, right? Okay. Okay, I'll skip for this one. Let's just direct go to the stock picks for today lah. So without wasting your time, now we are on 16th of January. So 16th of January, I'll go through one by one by the research house stock picks. So today the first one will be by the M Plus. M Plus stock pick would be the Ava Lens. Let me make it larger. So you can see on the left side they put on S is support, R is resistance, which means the target price. So I already draw the line on the charts right here. Maybe later on after the live session, I'll share all the stock pick chart in my Telegram channels or WhatsApp channels. You can click the link in the descriptions if you want to open an account right over there. There is a link right over there. So maybe we can communicate from there. You can WhatsApp to me if you want to open direct account whatsoever. Margin account also can. We do have a margin promotion at this moment. And our land overnight closing at 265. The stop loss prices will be 245, which is acceptable, which is around 10% level, less than 10%, I would say around 8 to 9%, with a target price of 29 cents, followed by 3.2 I need to zoom out a little bit to see the way the 3.2 is right here. It's pretty much standard. So the 29 cents will be the previous resistance level over here. So they are very positive for the avalanche to test the recent high and follow to testing another new high. Okay, so this one, or I would say, consider very nice pick. So next stock pick would be by the M Bank, HSSEB Engineering, HSS Engineers Bharat. So overnight closings is 112. We can see the trending is very solid, and they just broken the resistance. I would say they need to follow through for this one. Overnight is 112. So where is the target price for this? They did mention the entry is 108,112, meaning that you can buy in if the price is below 112. So the stop loss price will be 97 cents, which is pretty much acceptable, around 10%. So, and then I zoom out. Let's see if we can manage to see the target price. Target price is 120 and 130. So 120 is right over here, 130 is unviewable at this moment. Anyhow, if you like this stock, you can have a look at it. This one I would say is very strong momentum stocks at this moment. So the next stock picks would be by Maybank Investment Bank. So just now I did mention WCT, right? I did mention in my telegrams. So let's have a look on the WCT. WCT okay, we can see that overnight closing is 5.4 So the buying range by the Maybank Investment Bank would be 5.3, 5.4 meaning that letter open, it's already open. So it's 5.4 below, you can buy in with a stop loss price is 0.49 and the target price 59 and 66. 59 is right over here. This one considered as buying at the swing. Anyhow, this one is considered a good buy at this moment. I mean. So the next target will be a 66 right over here. I would say I pretty much positive for the WCT constructions counters like this. So we can zoom out a little bit. So we can see a big picture for these counters. You can see that it has been dropping for multi-year highs. Then it's consolidating sideways for how long? At least 2 to 3 years, right? 2 to 3 years times consolidated things. If it managed to break this multiple resistance level, I would say this would be very strong counters. 70 cents, which is 70, 80 cents also acceptable for me. So the next stock will be Samaidan. So this one will be the Maybank Investment Bank stock picks. Buying range is 118, 120. Overnight closing is 120. I believe they are calling for buy because of the swing and they're breaking for the downtrend line over here. We can draw a simple downtrend line here. There has been broken up, so it pull back, then buying in. So the anyhow the volume is haven't come in yet. So if you like this stock, you can look at it, and the stop loss level will be 111, and the sub target level is 130 and 145. 130 is right here, the previous multiple resistance. And we zoom out a little bit, see whether we can see the 140. Fortunately, we can't see the 140 at this moment. Will be slightly over here. Yes, it's slightly over here, 145, right? So the next stock would be Perdana Petroleum. So it did mention buying range 2.5 and 2.5. So you can see the short-term trending is positive at this moment, uptrending. So it managed to pull back. They are calling for the buy at this range, playing for the swing. And the stop loss level is 20 cents. This is slightly higher for comparing to the 10%. I would say I was suggesting you wait for the pullback for 2.5 or 22 cents to buy in, or you can adjust it the stop loss level higher. So the target level given would be 2.6 and 30 cents. We zoom out a little bit. 2.6 30 cents is on the blue line. I think I haven't draw the 2.6 here. I just draw it here. So 2.6 and 30 cents. So the risk reward is acceptable, but the risk I need to minimize a bit from there. So the next stock picks by the research house for the UOB will be Chin Hin. So Chin Hin, technical buy. So we can see that the trending is a solid uptrend along the way from 2021 to 2023 mid-year. So it's coming down, healthy consolidations like pullbacks. So they are calling for the buy. Maybe they are calling because of the higher high, higher low. It haven't formed the higher high yet, but the swing is right there. The volume I would say is 1.4 million. Okay, but the trend haven't changed yet for this Chin Hin. Maybe they are calling for buy is solely for the swing and the higher low right here. And the show overnight closing is 359. So their stop loss level is 336. Around 23 cents stop loss level acceptable, and the target price given is 401 and 419. So if I would like, if you let me to choose, I wouldn't choose these stocks. There are a lot of options which I briefed earlier on. The next stock would be the Microlink Solutions. So Microlink Solutions overnight closing is 90 cents. You can see that it's sideways consolidations for how many months? Since May until now, which is around 6 to 7 months. I would say this one will momentum, the volume is coming in for this one. You can try on this one. You can try. But anyhow, I would suggest things for tight cut loss level. So overnight closing is 90 cents. The stop loss given price is 86 cents, which is 4 cents. 4 cents is around 5% level, cut loss level 4 to 5% are acceptable. And the target price given is 99.5 and 104. So let's zoom out to see larger chartings for this level. So if the momentum coming in, I would say you will be very fast. But anyhow, you may need to I believe this one you need to monitor close for a smaller target price if you are trading for short term for this one. Maybe risk reward is 1 to 2 because you are risking 4 cents, so the target price can be lower slightly, 89 cents, or minimum would be 94 or 95 cents, somewhere around there. Okay, 96 cents is also acceptable, 1 to 1 plus. So the next stock will be the JHM. Overnight closing 74 cents. So this one is our downtrend line, but anyhow up over the very short term is uptrending, but it's not strong charting. To me, I wouldn't choose this type of stocks. Anyhow, I briefed through it, and the stop loss level given is 69 cents, which is around 5 cents acceptable, 10% range, and the target given is 1.5 and 87 cents. Pretty much standard, but I was suggesting if you want to play these stocks, maybe you need to hold for longer terms because it's playing for the sideways medium term. So has been consolidating more than 1 years. You can see the trending is more than 1 years. If you want to buy these stocks, make sure you have holding power for longer terms. Okay, instead of short term trading. Yeah. So the next stock picks by the RHB will be the ceiling. Ceiling International Berhad. So overnight closing is 2.5. So you can see that they dimension pending breakout 23 trend, right? So meaning that the purple color line here, purple line is the breakout level. So the price has to break up 23 cent only is convincing to buy. That's what the meanings by the research house stock picks. Anyhow, okay, I mentioned their cut-loss level. First cut-loss level is the red line 1.5. If you are buying these stocks, I have a different trading plan for you. I have a different trading plan instead of buying for the breakout 23 cents. So I would suggesting. So if you want to buy this stock, you may queue lower, maybe around 20 cent, 21 cent or 205 or 21 cents, and the stop loss level has to be 19 cent. So you can buy at current stage because the volume has been picked up right over here. So it has been consolidations for multiple days, couple days. I've been last 1 week plus. So if you're playing for these stocks, I would suggest different trading plans for you if you are trading for these stocks. So the target price is if you are buying in 221 or 205, I was suggesting your target price will be 245, somewhere around 245. Okay, for short-term player. So the target given by the IHB research will be 26 and 30 cent. If you are holding power for this one, then definitely you can hold for longer. I mean, so the next stock will be the Econ Berhad. Econ Powers Holding, sorry. So overnight closing is 36 cent. So they did mention the breakout level would be 35 cent, meaning that already can buy in. As long as the price is around close to the 35 cent, it means it's already breakout 35 cent, right? Overnight closings 36 cents. The volume is convincing 54 millions. So this one is considered very good stocks picks for the short-term tradings. Overnight up by 10%. Anyhow, I was suggesting wait for the pullback slightly, maybe 3.5 or 3.4, something like that. Then only you're joining in. Stop loss level 315 acceptable, and the target price given would be 3.5 and 4.3. Let's zoom out a little bit. Okay, 4.3 is right here. I would say the trending is like a U shape. Okay, so if managed to pick 40 cent, you will definitely going stronger. So the next stock will be SP30. SP30 is also one of my favorite nice stock picks for the trader or investors. Okay, as I said, the property has already bottoms. You can going in. So overnight closing for SP30 would be 92 cent. It mentioned for the buying above breakup at 90 cent, meaning already you can buy. It's already break up 90 cent, right? This resistance level. So I would say they are suggesting to buy above 90 cent with a stop loss level X3.5 and the target price X75106. So the trading plan for short term, which is acceptable, I would say if you want to buy in, you may wait for slightly lower 91 or 9.5, something like that. You can joining in with a better risk reward ratios, right? So we zoom out a little bit so you can see the SP30 trending. It's pretty, I would say, it's still acceptable to entry for the medium term as well. So the next stock this is gonna be the last stocks, MRCB. The next one of the nice stocks as well. I believe just now the Maybank Investment also picked the same stocks, so I will skip for the this one. Maybe I did mention a bit of breakout 51 cent right here. Then also the stop loss level is how much? 4.6 half. Targets 5.760. So say this one is consider a good stock pick as well. If you like this channel, you may like it, subscribe it, and you can join into my WhatsApp channels or Telegram channel in the descriptions. If you're interested to open account or for the margin, contract account or cash account, it also can. And you can get the link at the bottom's descriptions. So if I'm gonna share all these things for the stock pick by various of research houses in the Telegram channels. If you want to get it, then you go over there. That's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.